Hi everyone, my name is Libby and welcome back to my channel. In my video today, I'm going to get ready for a vacation and I'm going to share with you the most essential clothing that I must have in every vacation. Let's start. Hopefully your next vacation is going to be inspired by some of those clothing that you might didn't thought that you needed, but for sure you do need them. I will start with my favorite outfit. It will be a long silk dress. It's just always easy, it's always fun, it's just the right solution, especially when you're on vacation and the chances that you might get sunburned is so high. So you don't have to mess here with a bra and some t-shirts and some pants. Simple one piece that look like you put a lot of effort into what you're wearing, but in reality you're just like throwing it on yourself and go. Yeah, just easy. This will be my 10 out of 10. So right now we have I want to say my favorite event dress. She's so gorgeous. She's silk, she's long, she's beautiful, but it's not the front that's doing all of the job. It's literally the back. I just find the back so interesting and revealing, but not too much. Especially when we're talking about summer, when we are tan and our skin is flawless. That's the perfect thing to wear. I'm wearing it with high heels. It's not an everyday dress for me. I can wear it as an everyday dress, but I'm choosing not to because this is just too gorgeous to be an everyday dress. So yeah, gorgeous. Super important thing to have, obviously, for vacation. It's a nice bathing suit that you like. I want to show you my favorite outfit and the most comfortable and convenient thing to wear whenever you're going to the beach or the pool and you want to wear something that is just easy. So I'm having this white t-shirt. It's bottom white t-shirt, but as you can see it's see-through. So I'm going to wear it and I'm going to show you how I'm usually styling it. It's really dependent on where you're staying and where you want to go to, but I will wear it that, a little bit open but not too much. And now you can either choose to wear it like that, but for me it's very revealing and I'm not down for that. But if you don't want to share too much with the universe while walking down the street, I'm wearing it with shorts. And whenever I'm going to wear it, I want to show you that instead of just making it look very clumsy and just like that, you can choose to open some bottoms and you can either decide that you want to tuck it in the front a little bit and just style it the way you want to. So another one of my favorite pieces to wear, so convenient. Another must item for me will be a cute simple romper. Easy piece, it just works with every shoes that you wear. If you want to wear white sneakers and you want to walk around into places, or you want to wear it with high heels, or you want to wear it with flip-flops, it just works with everything and it's totally same vacation summer vibe. So yeah, for sure that will be another item that I am obsessed with. It just works for every scenario. We have in this cute dress. I really love it. It's just adorable. It's cute. It's having an open back. You can walk to it to places, and underneath you can have bathing suit, and it doesn't matter. And just a cute, fun dress. It's very free. Yeah, I think it's also a must. And I'm not sure why, but this dress kind of give me Greece vibes. So that's totally saying vacation for me. Yeah. Anyway, this is for one of those situations when you're just not sure what's going to be your schedule. And this can also work for I know that I'm going to the beach or to the mall. I mean less mall, or to the beach or pool or water park or something like that. Just cute, simple. Obviously we have to have some sundress with us. I have so many of them and I just choose one randomly. It's a cute one. It doesn't have to be something fancy, something extra. I just work with everything, every event. You have to bring with you at least 2 to 3 sundresses because you never know where it's going to hit you. And yeah, it's just cute. It's really simple. but it's a must. One of the most important pieces to have with you will be a black, simple, short dress. You never know when you're going for dinner, or if you're going to like a casino or something a little bit nicer. You can dress it up with like short high heels, you can dress it down with like flip-flops or sandals. It will work with everything, it will work with every event for sure. It will have a use. Always fun, always important, and I think that will be like my final item that I have in my must items to bring with me for vacation. I hope I helped you guys, I hope I inspired you and gave you some ideas. Comment below and let me know what you think about this channel, about my outfits, and generally on whatever you want to comment about. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated for my next video. And thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, hit the like button and stay tuned. I'll see you super soon. Bye guys.